How long does it take Webull to fill an order? The time it takes for Webull to fill an order depends on several factors, including the type of order, market conditions, and the liquidity of the asset being traded. For market orders, Webull generally executes trades almost instantaneously during regular trading hours, as these orders are designed to match the best available price immediately. However, during pre-market or after-hours trading, execution might take longer due to reduced market activity and liquidity. By the way, if you're looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, I have put some links in the description box below to the brokers I use myself. Check them out. Let's continue with our video. For limit orders, the time to fill depends on whether the stock's price reaches the specified limit. If the price does not align with the specified criteria, the order may remain pending indefinitely. The speed can also vary for illiquid stocks or assets with a wide bid-ask spread, where fewer participants in the market could delay execution. Similarly, during periods of high volatility, market orders might execute at prices slightly different from what was expected due to rapid price movements. Webull users often appreciate the platform's transparency and advanced tools, such as real-time market data, which can help traders make informed decisions. However, some users have noted delays during high market activity or dissatisfaction with execution prices for market orders in volatile scenarios. These experiences underscore the importance of selecting the appropriate order type based on trading goals and the market environment. Overall, Webull performs well in order execution for most scenarios, but users should remain aware of potential delays during extended hours or volatile market conditions. This understanding can help manage expectations and reduce frustrations with trading on the platform.